I gotta keep something up my sleeve for people that have more money than you.
Wood, you got any other bright ideas up your sleeves? Dad? Oh.
Any tricks up your sleeve, Captain Gruntastic?
Have you got any aces up your sleeve? Because all your swinger mates are really not cutting it with this jewelry.
I have a little something up my sleeve, but I'm not just talking about.
English Idiom Challenge. What does up one's sleeve mean? Correct answer is to have a secret plan or advantage kept hidden. Up one's sleeve means to secretly have an idea, plan, or advantage that you can use later when needed. Examples. The magician always has a few tricks up his sleeve. She smiled confidently, knowing she had a plan up her sleeve if things went wrong. Like and subscribe for more idioms.